Hello, my name is Daniel Jackson and I'm here to introduce you to the new Honda Fireblade. Since its 1992 introduction, Honda's iconic CBR Fireblade has evolved into an incredible 1000cc hypersports motorcycle. Inspired by the engine and chassis technology of the RC213VS and with aerodynamics drawn from the RC213V MotoGP bike, the new 2020 models have been redesigned from the ground up to deliver the ultimate road bike with a heavy focus on racetrack performance. Much of the styling and aerodynamics for the 2020 Fireblade models has been inspired and drawn from the Honda RC213VS. These enhancements improve overall stability and reduce drag. The all-new aerodynamically profiled cowling and nose cone incorporate the central air ram duct and MotoGP-inspired winglets. The downward force produced by the winglets suppresses front-wheel lift during sudden acceleration and improves stability when entering a corner and travelling at high speeds. Focusing on a more racetrack-inspired and aggressive riding position, the handlebar angle has been reduced while the footrest is positioned farther rearward and upward. The all-new engine of the 2020 models has been designed to increase overall torque and output and comply with the Euro 5 emissions regulations. In order to achieve this, the maximum RPM and peak power has been increased. An all-new air ram duct system has been introduced. The opening of the air ram duct is positioned at the tip of the upper cowl where the surface pressure applied to the cowling is highest whilst the bike is travelling, fully maximising the air intake efficiency. The surface area of the duct is equivalent to the MotoGP machine RC213V. The exhaust system has been fully redesigned for the 2020 models and the titanium muffler has been developed with Akrapovic. The lightweight diamond aluminium frame and RC213VS inspired swing arm have been redesigned with a focus on racetrack performance. Both torsional and vertical rigidity have been fully optimised. Additionally, the frame incorporates the engine-mounted rear suspension linkage to enhance high-speed stability. The 2020 models are fitted with ABS level switching. This is in addition to cornering ABS and rear wheel lift control. The rider has the option of two ABS settings. ABS 1, this setting focuses on deceleration for use on race circuit, and ABS 2, which focuses on stability for use on public roads. The 2020 models are now fitted with the Honda Smart Key system and electronic steering lock. The ignition switch is located on the left side behind the front cowl. Relocating the switch has created a profile around the top bridge similar to that of a racing machine. The new TFT meter is designed to provide the rider with an intuitive understanding of the bike's running conditions and enable easy setup and adjustment of the various electronic systems. The full colour screen is larger and higher resolution than the previous model and enables the rider to choose from various digital and analogue configurations that can be selected to suit both road and race circuit use. The fully revised left switch gear is lighter and smaller than the previous model and offers the rider simple and intuitive control of the meter settings. As a feature exclusively for race circuit use, the 2020 models are fitted with start mode. This system limits engine RPM during starting even if the throttle grip is fully open to enable the rider to concentrate on clutch control. The engine RPM limit can be selected via the meter and the rider can select between 6,000 and 10,000 RPM. The 2020 models use a 6-axis inertial measurement unit, IMU, to accurately measure the posture of the bike. Previous models used 5-axis. The angle and rate of pitch, roll and yaw can now be precisely estimated and used for such systems as cornering ABS, rear wheel lift control, electronic steering damper and anti-wheelie. Make sure you are familiar with all of the features of the new Honda Fireblade so that you can answer all of your customers' questions.